Notice I'm logged into my student account and I searched up for the Chrome Web Store. Now I'm going to click on For Chatham. These are all the extensions that are enabled for Google Chrome in Chatham. Note this is for Google Chrome and won't work if you're not using Chrome. Scroll down, go to Google Meet Grid View, click Add to Chrome, add extension. You can X off that, and you've now added Google Meet Grid View to Chrome. The next time you're in a Google Meet, you'll see a small grid in the upper right. You need to click on that. Then you'll see some options. You need to enable grid view for it to change screens like this. There are other options you can click on and preferences. You should be in grid view now. Good luck.